Now that the 2025 general reappraisal of all property in Durham County has been completed, you may be asking, how much is my tax bill? There are two ways to find out. First, you can wait until late summer when the Durham County Tax Administration sends its annual property tax bills to property owners in August. Or, you can estimate your bill using the Durham Real Property Tax Bill Estimator by visiting bit.ly/DCo Tax Bill Estimator. Why do I need to use this tool? With property values increasing by an average of 74% from before the revaluation, residents may be tempted to simply multiply the tax rate from 2024 by their new valuation to get an estimate. However, this would not work, as part of the reappraisal of properties includes a revenue-neutral rate being set.
The revenue-neutral rate is a recalibration of the property tax rate significantly downward to bring in approximately the same amount of property tax revenue as in the year prior.
For Durham County, the revenue-neutral rate is 51.92 cents per $100 of valuation. For the City of Durham, the revenue-neutral rate is 38.23 cents per $100 of valuation.
Okay, so that means I can take the revenue-neutral rate and multiply it by my valuation to get my tax bill amount?
No. To calculate your tax bill, you must use the tax rates from the county and city in their final approved budgets.
For Durham County, the approved rate is 55.42 cents per $100 valuation. For the City of Durham, the approved rate is 43.71 cents per $100 valuation.
Residents may take those numbers and put them into the Durham City County Real Property Tax Reappraisal Bill Estimate Calculator to get an estimate of their bill at bit.ly/DCo Tax Bill Estimator. For example, if you are a resident of unincorporated Durham County only with a house valued at $350,000, your estimated bill for 2025 will be $350,000 multiplied by the tax rate for a total of $1,897. For those who are residents of the City of Durham with a house valued at $350,000, you'll multiply the city's recommended rate by $350,000 for $1,529.85. You will then add that to the county estimate of $1,897 for a total estimated tax bill of $3,426.85. Please note, Durham County residents within the towns of Cary, Morrisville, Chapel Hill, or the City of Raleigh will need to use the recommended rates for their municipality. If you have any questions about Durham County's property tax reappraisal, your tax bill, or other Durham tax questions, contact the Durham County Tax Administration at 919-560-0300 or visit www.dcont.gov/taxhelp.